Hi everyone, Nick here again and welcome to another product review video for B&Q. Today we're taking a look at the Allister mobile and foldable workbench. First of all, I can see that it weighs only 14 kilos, so it's not actually too heavy to be lifting around. The main kind of fact that appears on the front is that it can take 100 kilograms of weight, which is pretty good. I can see here that it's got a expandable height of 77 centimeters to 107 centimeters, and actually this part here is actually foldable, so I can angle this at different levels of degree to be able to do and work with different materials. I can also expand out these two plates to a total of 18 centimeters. I just need to affix this metal bar here to the bottom of these metal rods that come off the main legs. The product is now all together, and the last step is really just to fix all of these plasticky bits together, which are the little clamps, if you like, which go along the top of the platform. So I'll just go ahead and get all those put in place. And there we go. That's 6 steps of the instruction manual complete, and we have a fully put together workbench. Now, to simply make it increase height and decrease height, you use this lever here to pull it out of the slot holes and then allow it to lower down, just like that. It's a little bit more complicated when making it go higher, but what is nice is that it does have some slot holes on these bars to make sure that it is level when you're moving it up and down, which is really nice. Now, before we go, one of the last features I want to look at is how this exactly folds away, because this is supposed to be a mobile foldable workbench. That's one of its main benefits. So what you can see on the side here is there are some little cogs once again, which you unscrew, and then these actually push in, and when you push them in, it allows you to slot the unit down to the next angle of degree, and you can see it's clicked into place there quite nicely. It goes to the next angle of degree until it eventually goes flat. And obviously once it's then flat, I can simply just fold in the legs at the bottom, and there I have it, a fold away mobile workbench. Now, in terms of actually collapsing this down, it wasn't the easiest thing to do. It was a little bit fiddly because you had to manage both sides while somehow still having to push pressure on the platform in order to fold it down. So really, once again, you need 3 pairs of hands. So probably could have been designed a little bit better, but once you get the hang of it, it does fold flat as advertised, and does make it nice and convenient, especially with this bar at the top for carrying. So there we go, that concludes the product review video for this Allister mobile and foldable workbench. I think overall it's a really nice product. It's certainly made very nicely. The finish of the metal and the plastic actually feel really good quality. Nothing really feels that cheap. So that concludes this video. Go to B&Q to check out this. If you are in the market for something like this, it's always handy to obviously have lying around, and the fact that it can be folded and to put in your shed or garage is just quite frankly a bonus. So until next time, I'll see you soon.